Oh, guys, we have a special another unboxing for Christmas gifts. This is from our extra good Patreon member, YouTube member, Ron on Location, Ron H, who has a YouTube channel, Ron on Location.
Fantastic job, Ron.
And we are going to do this unboxing. Now, Ron emailed us that he was in such a rush. You hear that, Hudson? Such a rush to get this box out to us before Christmas because it comes all the way from California, that he didn't include a card. But if he was going to include a card, he would say, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and he loves our channel.
Fantastic
stuff. I did the dangerous opening with the scissors so they wouldn't be in the way. Now, Hudson, are you ready? There's something in here for you.
Oh, man.
What is this?
Oh.
Rice cereal treats for dogs?
Hudson,
would you like to have one? Come here.
Now he's in treat.
Wholehearted bakery.
He loves it.
Wow, they look like just like the people ones.
Oh, nice.
Just like a Rice Krispies treat, but this is for doggies.
Keep him away from Jim.
Oh, he loves it, Ron.
Loves it, Ron.
We've never had this before. I've never even seen it.
Oh, he loves it.
Made with real sunflower butter. Should he get one more?
One more.
Oh, Ron.
He likes his
You want a
treats.
please paw? The please paw? Oh, no. He's like, just give it to me. Just give it to me. This is a Christmas present.
Yeah, I love them.
Loves them, Ron on Location.
Oh,
extra good.
Fantastic stuff.
Now, this is wrapped in bubble wrap.
Fantastic stuff. Oh.
Wait a minute. What is this? I believe this is for us. Wait a minute. Maybe not. Jeffrey's chocolate chip cookies. Hold on. Let me read this. About 42 years ago, I worked as a production assistant for the TV show Real People at NBC. Oh my God. He's going crazy for the Rice Krispie treats.
He loves them.
Around the holidays, the company assigned me to deliver special gifts to some of their clients and friends. These special gifts were chocolate chip cookies packed in a film can, decorated with elaborate ribbons and bows. I borrowed that idea and about 40 years ago started baking cookies for the holidays for family and friends. I tried the film can idea but found that a dozen cookies per can looked sparse. Yeah, I could see. I couldn't make more cookies just to fill the cans, because then I would have had to make over 1,200 cookies.
Oh my God.
I nixed the film can idea and opted for a dozen cookies in a brown sandwich bag. Ron's chocolate chip cookies were born. In 1988, I had a dog named Jeffrey. Every year, I baked the cookies as Jeffrey sat and watched, waiting for the smallest piece of cookie dough to hit the floor. Oh my God. It sometimes did, and he loved it. In 2005, I lost Jeffrey.
That's tough stuff.
And decided to rename the cookies in his honor. Enjoy. Jeffrey, miss you. Love, Ron. And look, there's a picture of Jeffrey and all the cookies.
Oh, here, move your finger. Jeffrey. Nice.
Oh, we're going to enjoy these.
Fantastic
Should I have
stuff.
one right now, and then Hudson can have another Rice Krispie treat?
Yeah, I think
we have to. Hold on. I'm going to try one right now because these sound amazing, Ron. In honor of Jeffrey. Now, these aren't for you because they're chocolate chip cookies.
Oh, man.
Oh, man. I smell them through the bag. Oh, my God. Smell-o-vision. Okay, ready? I'm going to have one. And then Hudson's going to have a Rice Krispie treat. We're going to do it at the same time. You ready?
Treats galore.
They both smell good.
Oh, man. Fantastic stuff, Ron. Oh, man. Oh, that's great.
I had most of the cookie, but I saved some for James. Extra good, Ron.
Sweet Jesus.
So good.
That's a good cookie.
Oh, no.
Sweet Jesus, Ron.
Hudson's on the table. As long as he stays here, I think he's okay. Or what do you think? Is
I'm
this
gonna
too
cut
dangerous? All right, we still have another gift from Ron. Extra good chocolate chip cookies. Jeffrey's chocolate chip cookies in honor of his doggy.
Just delicious.
The Rice Krispie cereal treats.
The Hudster loves
for
them.
dogs. And Hudson, one more gift from Ron. Merry Christmas.
Oh, nice wrapper.
Ooh, I love the holly. You want to help?
No, Hudson, he's still with the treats.
I know. Oh, Huds, you do the honors. Huds, he's still chocolate chip cookies. He just
riveted on it. Well.
Oh, and now he's on to it.
You discovered it.
Oh, you want me to help you?
Oh, Dino.
The toughest and toughest, built with Kevlar, leaps and bounds. It's got the tough-o-meter. Oh my God, Ron.
Oh, Ron, it's awesome.
Is this the cutest toy ever for Hudson?
Dino Mite!
Dino Mite! Right,
Hudson loves it.
Let me pull the tag off. This is so cute. Durable, tough.
Oh, fantastic job, Ron.
Three levels of toughness. There's durable, tough, and toughest. And this is toughest.
That's the Hudson. Oh, yeah. All right, let's see if the coast is clear.
Ready for your play session? Okay, it's playtime.
Coast is clear. He loves it.
Coast is clear.
Rod on location. Coming through. Oh man, this thing's
Dino Mite.
This thing's tough.
It's Dino Mite. Dino Mite. Oh, he loves it, Ron. Come on. Come here with your dinosaur. Look at him go. Look at him try.
He loves it.
Dino Mite.
Oh, you give it a toss.
Oh, he loves it. Oh,
That's good toss. Good toss. Excellent job. Yeah, he's leaping. He's leaping.
Oh, he's leaping.
Levin Lords are leaping. Oh, fantastic job, Ron.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's so sweet of you. And guys, check out Ron's channel, Ron on Location. Extra good.
Fantastic stuff, Ron.